In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate from one page to another in Figma. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Figma files where you have multiple pages set up. Just head over to the Figma platform and locate the file you're working with. Open it up, and you should see a list of pages on the left side of your workspace. Now, the next step is to click on the Prototype tab located at the top right corner of the Figma interface. This will enable you to set up the connections between the different pages and allow you to create a seamless navigation experience. Once you're in the prototype mode, you should see an object titled Creating a Connection. This is a crucial step because this is where you'll start to design how users navigate from one page to the next. Next, you need to select a frame or any object within a frame that you want to use as your starting point. You will notice a circular node appearing on the edge of the selected frame. This is the connection point. Click and drag this node to another frame where you want the navigation to lead. Now that you've created your connection, let's choose the page you want to navigate to. Simply click on the destination frame. You'll notice the link you just created, and it will help you connect to the designated page. After identifying the destination, drag the connection node over to that page. Now, here's an important part. You'll need to set the trigger for this connection. In the right panel, select On-Click to ensure that the connection activates when a user clicks on the designated object. Next, go ahead and click on Instant in the right-hand panel. Choosing this option means that the switch to the new page will happen instantaneously without any transition effects, which is often ideal for many prototypes. Once everything is set up, you'll see an option labeled Run next to the prototype settings. Click on this so you can preview how the click-through prototype works. It's a fantastic way to test if everything is functioning as you intended. And finally, once you're satisfied with how the navigation flows from one page to another, make sure to save your work. You can do this by clicking on the Save option at the top of your screen. It's vital to keep your changes safe, especially after setting up something as crucial as page navigation. So there you have it. You've just learned how to navigate from one page to another in Figma. Remember, practicing these steps will help you become more proficient and creative when working on your designs. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below, and I'd be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and